how to start the DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So the first thing you want to do is insert your battery or the plug if it's plug version, and you want to come over to this side here. You can see this is a lock and it's currently locked, and it's pressed out like this into this side, and you can see this is unlock. So you want to press that in so it sticks out this side. And now all we need to do, some DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tools have a dial here or underneath here to set the speed. Now this one is just done by the trigger, and all you need to do is then add your blade and then press and use your oscillating multi-tool. To start it, just press that button down. That's the trigger, and it works anywhere, like you can see. So hopefully that helps you start your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.